As we have seen in the previous module, we have been using sensors to identify the variability in the parcel. We see the differences in the canopy. So we have been already used additional A's. What we are going to do here in this module is how to manage this information, how to convert this information in a proper way, and we are going to talk about an important issue in Europe which is linked to the use of plant protection products. As we need to reduce the amount of pesticides in agriculture in Europe, we are going to take advantage of the variability in the parcel in order to define the proper dose to be applied into the crops. We will talk especially about 3D crops, these specialty crops as vineyards, orchards, citrus, and olive trees, which are quite difficult to manage. So we don't need to talk about kilos or liters per hectare of ground, because our target is not the ground, but our target is the canopy. And then we need to define simple and useful methodologies to measure the canopy in a proper way and to adapt the pesticide dose according to the canopy structure. Following the EPO guidelines, the European and Mediterranean Plant Protection Organization, we are going to measure the canopy. We are going to define at least two methodologies. One is based on what is called leaf wall area, which is the idea is to measure the area of leaves that we have in 1 hectare of ground. And the other alternative is to measure the cubic meters of vegetation that we have in 1 hectare. Both leaf wall area or 3-row volume methods are already in force in Europe, and they are already applied by different companies in the recommendation of the pesticide dose. When we have the parcel, we have an aerial image gathered from satellite or even from a drone. What we have at this moment is coming from the previous model where we used technology, we used sensors and satellites or drones. We have been able to identify differences, variability in the parcel, and has been classified and calculated as, for example, in this case, values of NDVI. So we have low vigor, medium vigor, and high vigor canopy.